Coming up in today's video, guys, we have a really interesting one. This is actually a pediatric patient and his mum, both in this compilation video. So my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists that works here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green and I'm the other audiologist here.
So we can see dry. Lots of skin as well in here. This one, a lot of people say, when I say pediatric, how old? This little one was 8, I think, when they came through for clinic this week. And you can see we've got a very dry surface to the wax here and a little bit of dry skin folded over it as well. So lots of oil going in with the standard size ulnar tube in here.
This is the pediatric first, you said?
This is the pediatric first, yeah. So this took a bit of time because we've got this big plug at the entrance here, but then deeper in, we also have a pediatric eardrum peel, which doesn't happen very often as well. Taylor loves it, that was it. So yeah, we're just gonna, I know, they're not always the easiest ones to do. So we're just gonna lift. You can see I'm trying to kind of break this side down.
Yeah, it's a lot of skin, isn't it?
Loads of skin, loads of skin.
Yeah.
And I'll just forceps going in a minute. There we go, just a little bit of a pull. Now you will see a bit later on when we take this plug away that the eardrum looks a funny colour, and that's how we knew this was a bit of a drum peel. But managed to break the sides.
Yeah, it's definitely some cotton buds that have been.
I would have said so. Yeah,
it's how flat that is, how thin that is at the bottom.
It's really thin, and that's what's anchored it in place. It's just kind of hung on to the side of the canal wall here. Yeah. So we're just going to lift this one up.
He said through it all right though?
He was good as gold. It's probably about the second or third time I think I've seen him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so he's
used to it now.
He's used to it. He's got used to it. Yeah, weirdly, I did a chap. I won't say a chap. He was a young man in yesterday. He's 16. I think I've seen him about 6 or 7 times. Oh God. Yeah. So he was like, "Yeah, I know what's going on. I know what I'm doing. It's fine. It's all good. It's all good."
Everything's the same as before. Just
nothing changes. So you can see I'm struggling with this little bit of dry skin at the base of the canal, and I do recommend that people use a bit of olive oil just to keep it.
That was nice.
That's
I like that.
The peel.
That was a good
That's the peel. Just to recommend people use a bit of olive oil on a regular basis. But what happens to a lot of our patients? They just forget, you know, and they start off with all good intentions, like everybody does. You try and get a couple of months in, and that's it. Then after that, you struggle a bit more.
Yeah, everyone's busy as well. So
always,
things
always,
happen.
Buddy, yeah, always.
Wake up, you get in the shower, get changed for work.
Yeah.
Come home, forget about it.
Yeah. Just don't do it. I tend to say to people, use it. Set a reminder on your calendar or something on your phone.
Oh yeah.
So you get a reminder on the first day of the month. Just put olive oil in my ears. Yeah. So that one.
Yeah, first day of the month is a good one.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
It is
Easy
a good
to
one.
remember.
Yeah, it is easier. Yeah, it is easier. You can see I'm trying to get a grip on that edge.
Oh, there you go.
There we are.
There's still some left though, isn't there?
I think there is, yeah. That was a good chunk of it, but I think there is some left to the, there you go. But now we've got a gap on the left-hand side, so we can lift this up now. Well, that's the plan anyway.
It's trying to do that.
Because see, it's just tough. I've got a follow-up for Pediatric tomorrow, actually, because I just couldn't get the wax out of this one kitty. Difficult because it was hardened, a bit like this one, hardened up, but a super narrow canal and then a twist, real kind of twisty bendy canal. That was a real tough one to do.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Ooh,
just a little bit of a pull there, which was good.
Oh, that's super dry.
It is really dry. It is really, really dry. Lots of dry. I'm trying to hold on to this at the angle, because it's kind of like it's trying to drop the suction tube on that angle there, just to wiggle it out. But it's just not quite letting me get a grip, just because it's such a dry surface to it.
Oh, that should be it now.
It's a nice one, isn't it?
Yeah. How long has it been since he last came?
I think he was about 9 months, I want to say.
Wow.
So look at the matte, appearance, that eardrum there. And I was thinking, well, possibly kids, you get a bit of glue here, and then this started to happen. And I was like, okay, maybe. It's a good one as well, because it's the whole surface of the eardrum. And do you know what? He was an absolute star the whole way through. He didn't flinch. I was explaining what was going on. I was explaining to Mum as well. Oh. And he was brilliant. So just got that peel there.
Yeah, it's always a bonus. Always a bonus.
If you can just get that top section, look at that peeling all the way down the eardrum. I'm staying a bit further back just because of the room in the ear canal at the minute. And then now you can see that surface. So remember what the eardrum looks like now. Look at the bottom half of the eardrum. And then
look at that.
look at that coming away. And then we'll take another look at the eardrum in a second. Oh, let's get this bit out as well.
Yeah, it's tricky with skin because it. A lot of people get that pulling sensation when you're peeling it away, and some people don't like it. Like you get, you know, patients like this that sit through the whole thing, don't flinch at all. Then you get like a tiny bit of skin. You get with another patient who is a bit more sensitive. Yeah. You just pull it a tiny bit, and they sort of go, ooh. Yeah, and it's like, ooh, sorry.
But the E was brilliant. You know, and it's all come away really, really well. And you can see the difference now on the eardrum there. So I've just put a little bit, well, no, that's a lot of olive oil. I've put a lot of olive oil in here just because I knew I had to peel down into this recess.
Oh, is that it?
I think that's it. I think, if I remember correctly, there's a tiny, tiny bit left on the eardrum, but I didn't want to press up against the eardrum and suction tube, especially with a paediatric patient. So I've just got rid of the excess oil and just got as much as I can out. But that eardrum, you can see, it's got that kind of bluey grey colour to it, rather than that kind of very matte beige colour that was there a few minutes ago. And you just had a tiny bit on this side as well. Yeah, so I've got this one out. So I'm just gonna.
Oh, it's sideways.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I just noticed that sideways. Yes,
Camera sideways.
Yes, I think I've probably got it a bit more of an angle to get it out.
Turn on chase to the side. Play on the floor.
Put the patient up, play on the thing. But this is rock solid, this little bit here. So I'm just going to go and grab this. Now it's interesting to see, because obviously, look at the skin as well. So bearing in mind that we're getting lots of these kind of dry skin issues, and we're getting lots of peels on this one. I do show you the ruler shot of that Pediatric one. So this is just getting this other, it's just folded over. Just going to get this other side clear.
Nice
big chunky bit. And I think I hook, I was going to say, I think I go in and hook. So very gentle. I will say before we pull it, you might feel this detaching. It might feel a little bit weird. But there we go. That was rock solid. So these ear canals are really, really dry. Yeah. And like Mum was saying, is it quite normal? I said, well, sometimes it's hereditary. It gets passed down through families. And so this is the haul. So we've got the tools there. We've got the rose inserter and the rye hook as well. But this is Mum's ear canal, right? And you can kind of see where he gets some of the dryness from the skin is definitely from here. And you'll see why in a second. So I thought, well, it looks like a bit of wax, possibly a bit of skin. But this is actually all dry skin that's peeled off the canal wall. So I think he follows Mum as far as his ear canals are concerned. But this was so funny because I was obviously I had Mum in the chair. He went first. Mum was in the chair second, and he was literally on my shoulder going, "Ugh, Mum, that's disgusting."
Can't believe that's in you.
That's really funny because he was sat literally on my shoulder saying, "Well, oh my God, Mum, this is disgusting. There's loads of stuff in here." But you can see this long. You'll see now this kind of forbidden cornflake. Look at that bad boy.
Forbidden corn.
That is huge as it comes out the ear canal there, and the eardrum looks lovely and healthy beyond there. But yeah, I think he definitely follows Mum for this kind of dry skin issues. Just going to clip the rest of this off now. There we are. Don't forget, guys, if you are enjoying the videos, you can always like, comment, share, and subscribe for us. That'd be absolutely fantastic. Loads of people are watching the videos and not subscribing. So if you subscribe, you'll make sure then that sort of feeds to the algorithm. And if you like the video, it'll make sure that it shows you the best videos of the channel when they do come up. So you're more likely to see that on your feed. That's how this whole thing works. So if you don't mind doing that for me, that'd be absolutely fantastic because it does make a difference to us as well. So just getting this bit of skin, a bit of wax, mostly wax in fairness. So out comes the right hook again. Do love a right hook.
Yeah, I've started using it more often.
You're more of a convert now.
Yeah,
because you're
I do like
it.
I have used a couple of rosin inserters over the last week or so. So I've used it a little bit. I used one today.
I think I went to get, because I prefer the bendy ones and you prefer the straight ones. Look at this. Look at that. That was all folded up on itself inside the ear canal. Yeah. Look at that bad boy.
Nice pull. There you go.
Oh, you got a beastie coming up for you as well this week if we manage to get it voiced over today.
I think I know which one you're on about.
Oh, I was telling about this yesterday, wasn't I?
Yeah.
We went out for Lucy's baby shower yesterday, so I was talking to me and Taylor, we're talking wax at the table. Look at this, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, lovely.
That's like a forbidden Weetabix. That one.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was full block of
full
Weetabix.
block of Weetabix. So you can see there we've got the forceps and the standard size on the tube on that one as well. And we are, oh gosh, I've zoomed in too far. I'm going to say 1.5 inches.
Yeah, so that's 3.5 centimeters, just over 3.5 centimeters.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching that video today. Oh, I didn't tell you about the one that's coming up. I'm not going to either. You're going to have to stick with the channel. Make sure you smash that like, the subscribe button and the bell and everything else, and you'll see when it comes up. But until next time, guys, as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And myself, lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you again soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.